In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive account in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your taskbar, which is typically at the bottom of your screen. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to open up your OneDrive settings where you can make a variety of changes and adjustments. Once you have clicked on the OneDrive cloud icon, you should see a menu. Look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear, and give that a click. By clicking the settings icon, you're opening up more detailed options for your OneDrive management. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll want to select the settings tab if it isn't already selected by default. This takes you to another page with multiple options regarding your OneDrive's functionality and qualities. You're going to want to focus on the account tab, so go ahead and click there. Within the account tab, look for the option named Unlink this PC. When you click this, you're essentially disconnecting your current OneDrive account from your PC. Don't worry, your files won't be deleted and you can relink the account or a different account whenever needed. When you select this, a confirmation dialog might pop up asking if you're sure about this choice. If prompted, confirm that you want to unlink the PC. The next part is just as straightforward. To relink or change to another account, you'll need to restart OneDrive. Usually this can be done by searching for OneDrive in your start menu and clicking on it to launch. Once you open it, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use the credentials for the new account you wish to link to this PC. After signing in, you'll have to specify where you want your OneDrive folder to be located. You can choose the default location or opt for a new one, depending on your preferences or storage needs. This step is crucial for ensuring that your files sync correctly and are stored in a place that's convenient for you. And there you have it, a new account is set up and synced with your OneDrive. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your OneDrive account on your PC. If you run into any issues or need additional help, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or check the Microsoft support site for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.